Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, friends all. There is an old saying that victory has 100 fathers, while defeat is an orphan. Before the May 10, 2010 elections, it certainly appeared that we, you and us, would be orphans. And I say we because we are brothers and sisters in this endeavor. Certainly, we had our disagreements, but that's natural among siblings, especially siblings as independent-minded as you all are. Despite these disagreements, none of us ever lost sight, however, of the need to succeed. None of us ever lost faith that we would be helping each other. None of us ever wavered in our determination to give the Philippines what it richly deserved: accurate, credible, automated elections. These, despite everyone else's prediction of dire outcomes. In the end, those predictions were proved false. We are not saying that the elections were perfect. Everybody knows that there were some things that could have been done better and should have been done differently. But in the end, we did not have the kind of failure of elections everyone heard or predicted. Instead, we had elections characterized by the eagerness of the people to participate despite the long lines and the burning sun. Most importantly, we had elections that in the end, nearly everyone agrees reflected the true will and sentiment of the Filipino electorate. President Aquino yesterday almost said that he liked the elections because he said that he got a mandate, and because of this mandate, the Filipino people can once again hope for a better life. For these elections, we extend our most heartfelt gratitude to our brothers and sisters, you in the effort. The Cebu citizens' involvement for maturation of people empowerment and liberation, C-Simple. We thank for their dedicated and creative efforts to promote voter education. The animated Cebu language picture it co-produced with the Rotary Club of Cebu was particularly effective and groundbreaking. The Citizens Coalition for Armed Electoral Reforms, CCARE, also receives our gratitude for their continuing efforts to empower the electorate in the arm through the greater and more effective election participation. The Legal Network for Truthful Elections, LENTE, was truly a most effective partner in educating stakeholders, most of all about the new election system. For this, our deepest thanks. The National Social Action Council and the One Vote Movement both receive our wholehearted thanks for their invaluable contributions to voter education. Last, and definitely not the least, we extend our sincerest gratitude to the PPCRB for its principled participation in nearly every aspect of the preparation for the 2010 elections. This invaluable resource to the Commission. PPCRB, by the way, I look at PPCRB not only as a partner, but as the conscience of the COMELEC. PPCRB is there to keep COMELEC honest. To these partners, these siblings of the COMELEC, the automation of the 2010 elections may now boast of 100 fathers. But we all know that we will always know, and we will always know that when push comes to show, it was with us, with our arm links together as brothers and sisters, that gently pushed back and thus assured the success of the 2010 automated elections. Thank you.